Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
To put it simply, it is cold still this afternoon. We've still got some snow on the ground. Roads are looking pretty good right now. Still some damp spots that will refreeze as the night goes on. But this is where we stand right now. 32 degrees is still a few degrees too warm to see road surfaces freeze. We typically need temperatures in the upper 20s for that. We will get there sooner rather than later. 32 right now in Huntsville and Scottsboro and Fort Payne and Gunnersville. 34 in Muscle Shoals with balmy. 35 in Moulton. We're at 31 degrees in Haleyville. 30 in Fayetteville. The Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network showing still a lot of cloud cover in place, but each one of our three radars painting a quiet picture here all across the area. So we're not going to get any additional rain or, in this case, snow. Look at the forecast temperatures throughout tonight into tomorrow morning. As we go through the rest of this afternoon into as early as 6-7 o'clock, this is when we start to see numbers dropping into the upper 20s. Remember, I just told you 28 degrees is around the threshold for black ice development. So we are going to get there this evening, not late tonight. And that's when you need to start paying attention to those bridges and overpasses. We'll talk more about that in just a second. And it only gets colder as the night goes on. Clouds start breaking up just a little bit more so than what we've got right now. And we'll be in the lower 20s for many spots by 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. I think we're going to get as cold as about the 20-degree mark. And during the afternoon, now finally some improvement. It's not warm, but we're going to be back closer to average, mid to upper 40s, close to the 50-degree mark in many places by 3 o'clock Tuesday. So here's what we've got when it comes to black ice. We've already talked about the temperatures needed, how cold it needs to be for that. And we do have lingering moisture on the road surfaces. That's something that I saw, some kind of melty snow on the roadside, especially those bridges that have the snow kind of smashed up against the side there of the railing. So keep in mind that, yes, it's the circulation of that cold air under those elevated surfaces that drops the temperatures first along those bridges and overpasses. And then it's also shaded and secondary roads. Any spots that really didn't get any sun today and roads that are less traveled usually have a little more snow because the friction just in and of itself helps melt that snow. Future radar shows this. As we go through the rest of tonight, I told you that clouds are clearing. Still a mostly clear start to our Tuesday. We hold on to that sunshine throughout the day. A few clouds possible by the afternoon, but it's not going to be a gloomy day. There is more cloud cover coming in by Wednesday, and although a couple of showers are possible, most locations are staying dry Wednesday. It's a different story by Thursday. Tomorrow looks like this. Cold in the morning, chilly in the afternoon. Remember, highs near 50. Here's our next system to watch. And I hate to say it, but there is the chance for some snow on the tail end of this. This is noon on Thursday. Now, as we get closer to 5 o'clock, you see all that moisture shifting off to the east, maybe a few snowflakes. It's a system to watch, nothing that we're expecting in any regard like what we had roll through last night. But it is going to get cold again. We are down to 20 degrees by Friday morning, some of us getting into the upper teens, and highs only making it close to 40 Friday afternoon. We'll be right back.